Imagine India a long, long time ago, around the year 500, a really smart guy named Aryabhata loved looking at the night sky. He wondered about the stars, the planets, and the moon. He was super curious about how they moved and what secrets they held. He didn't know it then, but his curiosity would change the world. Aryabhata watched the sky very carefully. He saw patterns in how the stars and planets moved. He wanted to find a way to explain these patterns so he could even predict them. But to do that, he needed a special language, a way to write numbers that could show how big the universe really is. Back then, the way people wrote numbers was confusing and not very good for big numbers. Aryabhata had a brilliant idea. He thought of a system based on the number 10. Each spot in a number would mean 10 times more than the spot to its right. This would make calculating much easier, but there was a problem. How do you write down nothing? His answer was simple but genius: 0. Aryabhata made 0 a number just like 1, 2, or 3. And with that, he created the decimal system, the way we write numbers today. This system is so important, it's the basis of all the math we know. Aryabhata's discoveries got other people in India excited about math too. Another smart mathematician, Brahmagupta, really liked the idea of 0. He figured out the rules for using 0 when adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. This made 0 even more important in math. He also explored negative numbers like -1 or -2 and how they worked. Aryabhata and Brahmagupta together started a golden age of math in India. Their ideas spread all over India, inspiring lots of other people to think about math, and their ideas were about to travel even farther. Hundreds of years later, the math ideas from India traveled to the Islamic world. Scholars like Al-Khwarizmi loved how simple and smart the decimal system was. They translated the Indian writings, keeping the ideas safe and sharing them with others. The decimal system, which we sometimes call Arabic numerals, then spread to Europe and changed everything about trade, science, and technology. We can see the impact of these ideas everywhere. From the beautiful patterns in Islamic art to how we understand space today, 0 is super important, from spaceships to computers. The work of these mathematicians from long ago is still helping us today.